The holidays are tough, especially for those that are in the restaurant business. For over 30 years, I've worked Christmas Eve and Christmas Day, letting others spend time with their families because it wasn't my holiday. But now that I have a daughter, I realized how important it is to create memories of my own. A friend of mine asked me recently, "Do the holidays depress you, especially after losing a loved one?" My dad took his life on the December 30th, 2017, and while you would think that would make the seasons unbearable, the truth is, I've missed so many holidays, I'm not sure how to feel about them. This Sunday, my daughter wanted to go to Universal Studios. My neck and my back were stiff with pain, basically leftover souvenirs from working in the restaurant business. But I went anyways, because no child should feel like they are a burden. As parents and as chefs, we're trained to suck it up, buttercup, hiding our pain like the kitchen hides the chaos. But bottling the emotions doesn't work. It's like the pressure cooker waiting to explode. Even when I'm struggling, I remind myself it's about making memories that will last her lifetime. I also make sure to share my struggles with her because talking about mental health shows it's okay not to be okay. Life isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, mess and all, and serving loved ones on the plate. Happy holidays.